Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make an opening video with this color transitions on CapCut. So first, just go add your clips and then go to where you want the transition to start. For example, I want to start here. Add a keyframe and then go to adjust and follow the settings. So for the brightness, increase it to 20 and then the saturation and contrast, lower it to -50. Now click on a check icon and after that move forward again and add another keyframe. Go to adjust menu again and reset all of the settings or the adjustment before. Okay, like this, and you are done. Click on the check icon and this will be the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on a like, leave a comment and click on thanks. Bye.